According to historical data since the 1980s, the top 1% of earners have seen their incomes grow by over 200%, while middle-class wages have barely kept pace with inflation. Imagine this. While many struggle to make ends meet, a select few seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth. In this video, I'll uncover the hidden habits of the wealthy, reveal how they think about money differently, and provide actionable steps for anyone to start building wealth effectively. Is it luck? A rigged system? Or are they doing something fundamentally different that nobody talks about? By the end of this video, you'll gain insights that can empower you to make smarter financial decisions, break free from financial stress. Subscribe to the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. The middle class thinks about saving. The rich think about multiplying. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you are getting poorer every day. Imagine two friends, Sam and Leo. Both earn $100,000 a year. Sam, a typical middle-class thinker, saves 20% in a bank account, feeling proud of his $20,000 savings. Leo, however, knows a secret. Cash sitting in a bank is losing value due to inflation. Instead of just saving, he invests in assets that give 8 to 12% annual returns. Fast forward 10 years. Sam's savings barely grew due to low interest. Leo's investments compounded and made him a millionaire. Saving is not enough. Inflation silently eats away your purchasing power every year. The rich don't just save, they multiply their money. Your bank account should never be the final destination for your money. It should be a temporary holding space before you invest. Number 2. Power of investment over earned income. The fundamental difference between the wealthy and the middle class lies in how they earn money. The middle class relies heavily on earned income, wages from a job that stop when they stop working. In contrast, the wealthy focus on investments. They deploy their money into assets like stocks, real estate, and businesses that generate passive income. This means their wealth continues to grow, even when they're not actively working. By making your money work for you through investments, you create financial stability and open opportunities for future growth, regardless of your daily employment status. Number 3. Impact of inflation on wealth. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time, disproportionately affecting the middle class. As the cost of living rises, wages struggle to keep pace, diminishing the value of savings kept in traditional accounts. While middle-class savings languish in accounts with minimal growth, the wealthy invest in assets that appreciate with inflation. Protect your wealth from inflation by investing in assets that historically outpace inflation rates. By understanding inflation's impact and strategically investing, you preserve and grow your wealth over time, ensuring financial security despite economic fluctuations. Number 4. Ownership versus consumption. The rich understand one golden rule. They own assets, while the middle class consumes liabilities disguised as luxuries. Think about it. Who owns the apartment complex you rent from? Who profits when you buy the latest iPhone or finance a car you can barely afford? The wealthy. Meanwhile, the middle class gets stuck in a cycle of spending on things that lose value the moment they swipe their credit card. A middle-class earner gets a bonus. What do? They upgrade their lifestyle, buy a new car, or go on an expensive vacation. The wealthy? They buy stocks, real estate, or invest in a business. That's the difference. Ownership creates long-term security, while consumption keeps you trapped in financial stress. If you want to switch sides, ask yourself before every purchase, is this making me richer or just making someone else richer? The answer will change your financial future. Number 5. Tax advantages for wealthy. The tax system favors investors over wage earners, enabling the wealthy to minimize tax liabilities through strategic investment and business ownership. Example: while wage earners face higher tax rates on earned income, investors benefit from lower capital gains taxes and deductions on investment-related expenses. This advantageous tax treatment amplifies wealth accumulation for the wealthy. Educate yourself on tax-efficient strategies that align with investment goals to optimize wealth accumulation. By leveraging tax advantages available to investors, you maximize returns on investments and retain more of your income for further wealth building. Number 6. The middle class fears debt. The rich use debt as a weapon. Emma and Ryan both want to buy a house. Emma takes out a 30-year mortgage for her dream home, thinking it's a good investment. But every month, she pays the bank, leaving her with barely any extra cash. Ryan, however, takes out a loan to buy a rental property. Instead of paying, his tenants pay off his mortgage, and he keeps the profit. Not all debt is bad. The rich don't avoid debt, they use it strategically to buy income-generating assets. Bad debt makes you poorer. Good debt buys you income-generating assets. Avoid consumer debt like credit cards, car loans. Use debt only for investments that generate income. Number 7. The middle class follows trends. The rich spot opportunities. Look around. Who's lining up for the latest iPhone? Who's rushing to buy expensive sneakers, overpriced coffee, or jumping on every new trend? The middle class. In the early 2000s, when tech stocks were booming, the middle class rushed to buy at the peak. When the market crashed, they panicked and sold at a loss. Meanwhile, the wealthy bought stocks when prices were low, held onto them, and made millions when the market rebounded. When crypto was booming, the middle class was buying Bitcoin at its peak, while the wealthy were the ones cashing out. The rich don't chase fads, they spot opportunities before the masses catch on. The middle class follows trends blindly, buying assets at their peak and panicking during crashes. The rich spot opportunities when others are afraid. Learn market cycles. Buy when others are fearful. Invest for the long term. Don't react emotionally to market fluctuations. Start thinking like an investor. Before spending money, ask yourself, am I following the trend or am I owning a piece of it? Number 8. Rising costs of living and assets. Ever noticed how everything keeps getting more expensive? Housing, groceries, healthcare, yet your salary barely moves? That's not an accident. Inflation eats away at middle-class earnings while the wealthy profit from it. The rich don't just survive inflation, they own the very things that become more valuable over time. Meanwhile, the middle class plays defense, barely keeping up, spending every extra dollar on rising rent and debt instead of investments. Stop playing defense and start playing offense. Invest in things that rise in value. The question is simple. Do you want to struggle against inflation, or do you want to own the assets that make others struggle? Start investing in assets that appreciate, manage debt strategically, and leverage tax advantages to propel your wealth journey forward. Understanding these dynamics empowers you to make informed financial decisions that transcend the limitations of a paycheck-to-paycheck existence. The difference between the rich and the middle class may continue to widen, but by adopting the mindset and strategies of the wealthy, you position yourself for financial success. Take charge of your financial future today. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on wealth creation and actionable strategies to secure your financial freedom. Remember, knowledge is power. Empower yourself with financial literacy and start building the future you deserve. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.